Mrs. Brown, she submitted.
Aaron, come on. We're waiting for you.
1 minute.
What did you just say about Kelly? Make sure her identity stays a secret. Treat her like any other employee.
He's with Miss Bella, of course. Mrs. Brown loves him so much, she wouldn't resign on her own. Must be the boss's decision. Nothing.
We'll follow the standard procedure with Mrs. Brown.
Sir, she only took one suitcase. She said she's not coming back.
She schemed her way into marrying me. How could she possibly leave?
Kelly again? You're swamped with work and she keeps causing you trouble.
Let me remind you that Kelly is my wife and also the mother to Sophia. So she has every right to cause me as much trouble as she'd like.
Doesn't Eric hate Kelly? Is he defending her?
I'm sorry. Shouldn't talk that way about her around Sophia.
Okay, Dad, so why did you have to be so rude to Miss Bella yesterday? I mean, after she graduates and goes back to New York, we're hardly gonna see her anymore.
Wait, didn't I tell you? We're going to New York tomorrow, too.
Really? Yay! Now I won't have to be away from Miss Bella!
It's perfect. Why don't you go wash up, hon?
Okay.
Wendy,
Yes, sir.
did my wife call today?
I stayed by the telephone all afternoon, but I never heard from her.
Even if she couldn't have called Sophia this morning, she could have called this afternoon.
Well, should I go and check on her?
Just forget it. We're going to New York no matter what. Will you go check on Sophia, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Dad! I'm all ready for bed. Now you just have to tell me a story.
Bedtime story. Come on.
4 more days, and I'll be free. I heard you and Sophia are back. Pick up Kelly and come for Thanksgiving family dinner.
Professor?
Sorry, the number you have dialed is currently busy.
Professor?
Kelly!
It's been too long. We need to catch up. When can you visit?
How about today? If you're free.
Fantastic. I'll see you later.
Great, bye. Professor, I have been working on this all night. Can you just check to make sure the algorithm is correct?
Congratulations to the youngest champion in our competition's history, Rainbow!
Thank you all so much. I will continue to work hard and make the name Rainbow the pinnacle of future AI technology. Thank you all so much.
Kelly?
Benjamin?
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
So good to see you, Mrs. Brown. Look at you.
Oh, please don't call me that. I'm going through a divorce.
Wow.
Yeah.
You got married and you gave up a very promising career. Why give it up?
Well, I was impulsive. and blind.
Kelly, come back and work for me.
Oh, I don't know. Those days are behind me.
Do you remember this? Kelly Jones, you know you were the top student in AI at this school? You gave up your career to marry Eric once before. Kelly, don't do it again. Come work with me at Lumina Tech where we can make the most amazing things together.
You're right. I wasn't meant to just be a housewife and a mom. I should follow my dreams again. And I'll consider chasing them at Lumina Tech. Thank you.
I'm happy to have you back. Okay, so you know what this job's gonna entail, right?
Yes, I'm prepared. Don't worry.
I am so happy to have you back at Lumina Tech, Kelly. Oh.
Me too.
Oh, we're gonna make such a great team.
I'm excited, but I can't come for a few days if that's okay.
Where are you going?
Well,
I'll handle this.
you sure?
Thank you for everything.
Get in the car. Grandma wants to see us for dinner tonight.
All these years, only Madame Browne has been good to me. Divorce or not, I should say goodbye to her properly.
Fine. You brought Sophia? Hi.
Hi, Mom. Nice to see you.
His overseas business isn't finished. Why did he suddenly bring Sophia back? Did he see the divorce papers and just come here to end things?
Miss Bella, Dad finished work early, so we'll be able to see you again soon.
Eric, I thought the divorce would affect you. Turns out, Bella's the reason you came back. Don't worry, I'll give you your freedom.
Every time I came back before, she'd be so happy. But today, she's so cold. Probably just another new scheme to get my attention. Let's go.
Everything turned out really beautiful. I think so too.
Oh! Kelly, you're back. Wow, the wife who spends all day shopping and having fun. How nice of you to fit us into your busy schedule.
Another rude remark from you, Evelyn, and you will answer to me.
You are biased, grandmother. I am your real granddaughter. And you were supposed to help set the table. Go finish the rest.
I'm too tired. Sorry.
She normally tries to please my sister, but today, she's actually saying no.
Tired? You act as if the company is on your shoulders. If you're so tired, then why don't you just quit?
I already did.
What? Kelly, don't joke like that.
Eric, she's usually bustling around the kitchen by now. What is wrong today?
Maybe she's just tired today.
All these years, I've compromised my principles just to please your family. Don't worry, it'll never happen again.
Eric, why don't you get her some apple cider? Maybe you're thirsty.
No, he doesn't need to do that. I can handle myself.
Grandmother is clearly playing matchmaker again. Are you ever going to get tired of her? Eric, you are so pathetic.
Why does Kelly seem so different?
Mom, you've changed.
How so?
Every Thanksgiving, you and me make my favorite blueberry pie. This year, where's the pie? Grandma made everything.
Since we're getting divorced,
I'll spend one last Thanksgiving dinner with my daughter. You're right, sweetie. Let's go make that pie.
Kelly, where's your wedding ring?
How funny you choose to wear that precious family heirloom every day but today.
Did you have a fight with Eric?
Eric and I haven't officially divorced yet. If Grandma finds out, she won't let us. I left it at home.
Well, now at least you'll match Eric. I've never seen him wear his.
Hi, darling. Eric. Be careful. This is your wedding ring. I don't want you to lose it.
Well, I don't like wearing it. It just gets in my way.
Our loveless, shallow marriage should have ended long ago. Something just came over me. I'm not feeling too good. I'm just gonna rest for a bit.
If you can't say anything nice, Evelyn, shut up!
Kelly helped you once, and yet you chose to make Eric marry her.
Eric, did I make you marry Kelly?
Grandma!
Eric, I have met Bella, and she is beautiful, and she has her doctorate. If she wasn't a mistress's daughter, she would be far better than Kelly. But that's not enough, is it?
I know what kind of woman I want.
Eric, you really do love Bella. No one can say a bad thing about her.
This has nothing to do with Bella. Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm sorry.
Where's your ring?
I already told you.
Kelly, will you just stop with this little attitude?
You're overthinking it.
I'm overthinking it. If you're angry about how I treat you, as your husband, isn't it my duty to make it up to you?
Stop! Our relationship isn't like this anymore. Intimate, Eric.
What does that even mean?
You know, everything I have to say to you is in the documents. So if you haven't read them yet, then I suggest you go and do that.
Well, I suggest... What?
Eric, can you come help me? I cut my hand.
Yeah. I'm on my way. She used to beg me to stay. Kelly, what game are you playing?
Eric, I won't beg you to stay anymore. After tomorrow, we're done for good.
Hi, Mrs. Brown. I'm Nina, your successor.
Please call me Kelly. Let me show you around. This is where everyone works pretty much, so if you ever need to find anyone, they will be here.
The office.
Wow, it's gorgeous.
Finally got to see boss's girlfriend. She's gorgeous.
She is not only a wealthy heiress, but also a rising coding star.
Hi. Thank you.
And Kelly, apart from David, no one else can know you're my wife. Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay, got it. 7 years of secret marriage. I played both wife and secretary for you. But now, you have no problem showing Bella off at work.
Let's go to my office real quick.
Okay.
David, could you
ask Kelly to make some coffee and bring it in?
But the boss usually doesn't allow Kelly in his office.
Eric requested it.
Eric, consider this the last time I'll ever make coffee for you. Let's go. So, this is the coffee station. It's a little old school, but I can teach you how to do it. All right, just pour the water in and then you can put the grinds on in and... To perfect the drink you love, I ignored the pain of my coffee allergy. I was such a fool.
Kelly?
Yeah, sorry.
Coffee's ready.
Oh, great, I'll take it. Thank you.
Who gave you permission to come in?
Kelly. I know you're upset that I joined the company, but stirring up drama like this is just a bad look for you.
You're straddling my husband, and I'm the one stirring up drama?
You want me to stir up drama? Fine.
Kelly, why would you hit me? I was just trying to explain myself.
Kelly, have you lost your mind?
You okay? No, my face hurts.
Apologize.
I didn't hit her!
Damn it, I said apologize!
You know, before I would have been jealous, but now I don't even give a shit if you two have slept together.
Unbelievable. After all these years, I thought you would have changed, but no. You're still using the same dirty tricks, honey.
Fine. See that was me hitting her. Even if your heart were made of ice, it should have melted in the 7 years that we've been together. But it turns out, you just have no heart at all.
Get out. Get out before you are fired.
It's too late for that. Because I quit. From this moment on, we will never see each other again.
Eric, I'm sorry. This is all a misunderstanding. I should just go and apologize to
No
her.
need, honey. No need. She's just trying to get my attention. She'll be back.
I accept your job offer.
I'll get you.
What's that sound? Eric, look.
Benjamin. What is he doing here? You're nothing but a housewife. Get out before you are fired.